Hello viewers and welcome back. Today we are making crunchy butter cookies biscuits with just 4 ingredients. This is the master class you needed. So subscribe, hit the bell and let's get started. Inside a clean bowl, add 250 grams of butter and cream it. This recipe is very easy and a very perfect recipe. For that reason, it should be a must try.
With love inside, baking cakes, sharing care.
Cream for 5 minutes or until you get something like this. Then go in with 1 cup of icing sugar and continue mixing. Mix it properly. Always remember to sieve your dry ingredients. It's very important. Once the icing sugar is well incorporated like this, then go in with your flour. We'll be using 4 cups for this recipe. We'll add one at a time. We're not going to add the 4 cups at a go. We'll mix this and when this is well incorporated, we will now add another cup.
Creating healthy treats.
Then this is the second cup of flour we're adding.
Baking cakes, sharing care.
And make sure you get the accurate measurements.
Pastries that warm you, cut through the strife. Healthy drinks and the sweetest.
Third cup is about to go in. This is the third one, and we'll go in with the last one as well. This is the fourth cup.
She wakes up early with the sun's.
I'll then go in with vanilla powder, vanilla flavor, the powdered one. That is a teaspoon of vanilla powder. At this point, we need to keep the spatula aside and go in with my hand and mix.
Baking cakes, sharing care.
Mix it properly in order to form a dough.
That warm you, cut through the strife. Healthy drink.
I'll now transfer that to my workspace. I'll transfer it there and I don't need to knead it, just make them to come together in order to form a dough. With that, you'll be able to cut and mold.
She wakes up early with the sun's first light. Glory kitchen's glowing, everything feels right. Flour on her hands and a smile so wide, creating healthy treats with love inside.
I'll now spread some flour on the workspace and cut it.
It's a recipe.
I even used flour on my rolling pin as well. Cut it into half, keep one aside and work with one for the moment. Roll it out like this.
Living clean, cooking
Roll it out.
good we do.
And use any mold of your choice. I used different shapes here. I used fish shape, I used love, that is heart shape. I also used mushroom shape. I used round shape, and I also cut into square shape as well.
With love inside.
This is the star. I used star first.
Baking cakes, sharing care.
You mold it like this, you cut it like this and bring it out from the mold. Sometimes it may not follow the mold, like when you cut it, it will remain there until you use something or use your hand to pick it up. Please give this video a thumbs up, like this video and subscribe. Also share your view in the comment section.
She wakes up early with the sun's first light. Glory kitchen's glowing,
Line them
everything
on
feels
the
right.
parchment paper
Her hands and a smile so wide.
on your baking tray. At this point, I have to use a vegetable oil. I noticed the mold was not coming out very well. It's not shaping it the way I want, so I have to go in with vegetable oil. Use vegetable oil to touch the mold, to brush it a bit, and then start using it. This is the mushroom shape. I've used the fish mold shape, so I will now use something to pick it from the working space, as you can see me doing. I will list the ingredients I used and the measurements in the description box below.
Flour on her hands and a smile so wide, creating healthy treats with love inside. Baking cakes, sharing care, it's a recipe for life. Pastries that warm you, cut through the strife. Healthy drinks and the sweetest samples too. Living clean, cooking smart, it's the good we do.
Now done with the shapes, giving it shape. Different shapes, as you can see there. I used different shapes, and for the children, they like those different design, like starfish, a pig shape, and the rest. They love it a lot. So now use your fork to perforate them to give it dotted look. To give them dotted look, and this is when it has come out from the oven. Just bake for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. It will get burnt depending on the size, how you cut it, whether it's thick or thin. If you have watched this moment, thank you for being part of this community, for watching the video, liking and commenting and subscribing. Thank you, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.